So today I will be discussing about the word work. So I will be answering from numbers 11 to 15. So first, identify the wrong statement about fatigue. A yield point in fatigue loading is lower than the static loading. B. Resistance to fatigue of material is measured by ultimate tensile strength rather. C. Poor surface condition adversely affect the fatigue limit of a material. And D. Fatigue limit of a machine element can be increased by cold working under stressing. So the answer is B, because the wrong statement is B. Fatigue resistance is not measured by ultimate tensile strength. It is measured by endurance limit from the curves SN. Number 12. Which of the following processes is not adopted for increasing the fatigue strength of material? A. Cold working. B. Hot working. C. Shoot pinning. B. Surface condition. So the answer is B. Hot working doesn't improve fatigue strength, but this would help. So the answer is B. For numbers 13, the endurance limit resistance to fatigue a machine element can be improved by A. Heat treatment. B. Grinding and lapping the surface. C. Electroplating. D. Polishing. So the answer is B. Grinding and lapping improves surface finish, which directly raises the endurance limit. So the B is the correct answer. 14. Factor of safety is the ratio of what? A. Breaking stress to working stress. B. Endurance limit to yield stress. C. Elastic limit to ultimate stress. D. Yield stress to working stress. So the answer is D. Factor safety is equal to failure stress over working stress. For ductile materials, we use yield stress. So D. Because factor of safety is equal to failure stress over allowable over working stress. So much D is the best answer for this. Number 15. The selection of the factor of safety in design is not dependent upon A. Service condition. B. Nature of load. C. Size of component. D. Material of component. For my answer is letter C, because factor of safety depends on service conditions, load type, and material properties, but not directly on the size of the component. Because service condition, load, nature, and material affect uncertainty and risk, so they affect factor of safety, and it doesn't need to change the material's reliability or load uncertainty. So that's all. Thank you.